Yes, students. Okay, yes, students. Now I have defined you some other examples for the Laplace transformation. Yes, okay. Now the next question is like that. Prove that. Yes, prove that. The question is this one: 0 to infinity sin t by t dt is equal to pi by 2. Yes, next first one is, and the next one is, and the next question is, next one is 0 to infinity e to the power minus t sin t by t. Yes, dt is equal to pi by 4. Okay, now we solve this question. Yes, solution of this question. Here let ft, yes, ft is sin t. Okay, and then Laplace of sin t, you know, which is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. Yes, these two terms you know. Now we apply the definition of some other properties of Laplace transformation. And according to the property of Laplace transformation for the integral, we have defined you earlier, and also we have proved that this property we have defined here according to the property which is defined as. According to you, we know that, yes, you see that we know that the property is this one: if Laplace ft, yes, we have proved this property earlier in my other lectures. Okay, this is equal to fs, then Laplace ft, yes, by t is equal to s to infinity fu du, provided, yes, provided the integral exists. Okay, okay, this theorem you proved earlier. Okay, but by using this we solve this question. Okay. To solve this question, here is the integral is this one, that is, here the integral is sin t by t, and you also evaluate the problem is this one. Yes, that is, you can write here is, in place of this you can write like that. Okay, we have defined you here. Laplace of sin t by t according to this theorem, you can say this is equal to s to infinity f of u du. Yes, clear? Yes, according to this it is clear. And also now it in also the Laplace of this is you operating applying the property of Laplace definition, and according to Laplace 0 to infinity, yes, that is operating this one, this is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and the function is this one, so sin t by t. Is clear? If you apply here the Laplace definition. Yes, okay, clear? And here is again the written is s to infinity f of u d. Okay, and also f of u according to here you see that this one, here you see this is fs. Yes, so f of u is 1 by u square plus 1. Okay, so you can substituting here, this is equal to, yes, here you also write 0 to infinity e to the power minus st. Here is again sin t by t. This is equal to dt is again here. If we write here, dt is here is also. Okay, and there this is equal to s to infinity, and f of u can write up according to this. F of s is 1 by s square plus 1. So this one is 1 by u square plus 1. Yes, clear? Now u square 1 this du. Okay, now this is again is equal to this one, you know, this is equal to tan inverse of this one. So now we taking here is 0 to s to infinity. Now taking as the limit, because in this the theorem it is also given that the provided the limit exists. Yes, now taking the limit as s tends to 0. Okay, then this one 0 to infinity e to the power minus st. Yes, and here is sin t divided by t. Yes, clear? This one, and dt, here is again you apply the limit as s tends to 0, s to infinity 1 by u square plus 1 d. Okay, that is, here is this, that is this become, let us suppose that this is equation number 1, and now here this become that is we can say 0 to infinity, yes, sin t by t dt is equal to tan inverse u, and the here is limit from, that is as you taking as the s is 0, so you take the limit as 0 to infinity. Yes, 0 to infinity, that is you can take the limit 0 to infinity. Yes, so you get the value of this one is pi by 2. That's clear? So the first part is clear. 0 to infinity e sin t by t dt is equal to pi by 2. Yes, first part is proved. Okay, first part you have proved here. Now the next part, so yes, and the next part is you have to find out for this one e to the power, this one e to the power minus st sin t and dt is equal to pi by 4. Yes, for this question, for this part, yes, we have here. Yes, for this part. Okay, for this part, second part. Okay, this part from yes, from equation 1, yes, 0 to infinity, yes, e to the power minus st sin t by t dt is equal to, yes, 0 to infinity, yes, du by u square plus 1. Yes, this not, here is a limit from s to infinity. Yes, here is from equation 1 is, that is here is from s to infinity. Okay. So this can be written as, here is the integral is, that is 0 to infinity, yes, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, okay, and sin t divided by t dt. This is equal to, if you apply the limit, this is tan inverse of u, and if you take it, that is, you can say that tan inverse u, and the limit from gs to infinity. Yes, so this can be written as, if you apply the limit, then you get the value is, this value you get, pi by 2, yes, pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. Yes, clear? This one. And again, what is this one? This, you know that this is equal to cot inverse, yes, trigonometry from, you know, cot inverse s. Yes. Now, but here, yeah, that is, the problem is like that, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st sin t, yes, by t dt is equal to this one. But according to your question, it is given as, it is given as e to the power minus t. So you take s is minus 1, e to the power minus st, yes, s is 1, because here is also is minus st. Okay, so you substitute, here is s is equal to 1. So then this integral become 0 to infinity e to the power minus t, yes, sin t by t dt is equal to cot inverse, yes, 1, and you know the value of cot inverse 1, you know, this one is pi by 4. Yes, so you have proved the value of this integral. Okay, that is, you have solved this property. That is, you know, I think you have clear the concept of integral operation. Okay, in next video I have also defined you some other question. Okay, thank you.